Are you still wondering how to use the meta field in Shopify? In today's video, I will show you step by step how to use them. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Morgan and I'm a Shopify expert and partner since 2015. So with over 10 years of experience, I have developed thousands of websites and have been working with thousands of brands based in Australia, help my clients to have the best Shopify store. I'm actually working with more than 20 brands in Australia, and my goal today is to help you to achieve and get the best Shopify store so you can make the most of it. You can see here, I will set up some review and feedback for my clients. You can also find me in Airtasker. You can find a link in my description, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Okay, so let's now understand how does it look a shop with Metafield and a shop without Metafield? Okay, so we have an example here. This shop has no Metafield, which means we have the description here and the ingredients and the direction all in the same place. If I go to this shop, you will see there is a description, ingredient tab, and how to use tab. So that looks so much better. And this is what our made Metafield. Okay, so now I'm gonna head to my shop. And I want to have the short description here. And then I want to have the full description here and the key benefits of the product here. So I'm gonna go to my Shopify store. And I will go to settings, Metafield and Meta Objects, and product. And here I will add a definition. So my first definition is going to be the short description that I want to have under the title. Okay. And the type, I want a rich text. Why do we want a rich text? A rich text can allow you to edit your text directly. You can have bold, you can have underline, and you can have titles. It's very easy to use. And so you can have all this kind of format available for you. If you were to choose a multi-line, you will not have this option. Okay, and then I will save it. Now that I create the short description, I want to create the key benefits. So I will add another one. I will call it key benefits. So it's already taken, but key benefits. And then I will take the rich text and save it. And now I would like to have also ingredients. Maybe I will put the ingredients tab in here. Okay, so I'm gonna create ingredients. And here I will select again the rich text. You can tap it and save it. Okay, but now this is not assigned to any product. So now you will go to your product and I will work on this one. And you will assign. Okay, here we go. So in here you will type your ingredient list. Let's just take some content just to show you. We're gonna write ingredient list for combo product. Okay, just to remember that it will change. Huh? In key benefits, you can have bullet points, key benefits 1, key benefits 2, key benefits 3. Okay. Short description. So I have my description here and I just want to keep the first part. Et voila. And now I save it. So now, yes, okay. I added the meta fields, but they're not there. Yes, we need to assign it to the team. So now what we do, let's say it again. We are going to the online store and now we're gonna take our meta field. So customize. Okay, so now we are in the project. So as you can see, the meta fields are not here. So this is what we're gonna do now in this part of the video. So you are going to first the full description. I don't want it. I'm going to hide it. Hide it. And now I want the short description to be under the price. So the price is here. And I will add a rich text because this is we call this meta field rich text. So we need to use rich text for them to work. Okay. If you take example, if you were going to take text, I will not be able to find my meta field because it's not text. It is rich text. Okay, so now I have the rich text here and I want to have my short description in here. Up, here we go, and save it. Now I want to have, so now we're going to the tab. I have the description, I have the review. So the description is good, the review is good, and what do we want? We want to have the key benefit. So we have in custom content, and in here, the title, we need to take the meta field. So we're going template product. Tab heading is with key benefits. And the description, we want to have the one rewritten inside the product. Key benefit. Okay. And here you go. Remember, I also had the ingredients. The ingredients, I want to add it over here. So let's go back up and in here, what kind of collapse filter? Yes, this is what I want. And we want the ingredient. Okay. And the content will be the ingredient. And now, up, here you go. So now we set up our first meta field. We're gonna go a little bit more advanced in this part of the video. So if you still follow, now we're gonna create a meta field for another section in the project page. Okay, so I want to have another section here. I'll add a section. I want it to be just under the tab. Okay. And so I want this text. So the heading, I think we're gonna do ingredient, the ingredient, the ingredient. And now we're gonna highlight our ingredient. I want this to be a meta field. And I want also the image to be a meta field. We don't have any. Oh, okay, let's create that. So now we are going back to the product metafield definition, and we're gonna add key ingredients. It's gonna be again a rich text, save, and I want to have also the image. So featured image ingredient. Okay, and then to have the image, I'm gonna say file, one file, and then you can choose if you want image or video. If you want all, I will take images and video. Okay, now we need to go to our product to add it. So we've been working with the complete skincare ritual. And in here, we want to have our key ingredients. So ingredient 1, ingredient 2, okay, 3, 4. Then you can bold the text here up. The first one, make it bold. Okay, perfect. And now I want the feature image, so I'm gonna select an image. Up, a GIF, why not? And save it. Okay, so now how is our project page? Good, we have this metafield set, good, good. But we don't have the section yet. Okay, let's go back to customize. In here, let's just say, always reload the page because for them to sync properly into Shopify. Okay, I'm gonna reload it now. And I will go to my section, which is here, up. And here in the text, I want to have the key ingredient text. Key ingredient. Perfect. And now I want to have in the image that I just added, the feature image ingredient. Et voilà. And now you save your work. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I will add a few cards here if you want to watch more and learn more about Shopify, and let me know if you have any question in the comment section below. Thank you.